Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You'll start by preparing Word so checks run correctly. Open the document and confirm you're signed into the same account because synced settings help. Next, set the proofing language for the document. This ensures spelling and grammar rules match your text. Then, enable autocorrect and the basic proofing options in File Options Proofing. Doing this now saves time later. It prevents false positives and makes the grammar engine apply the right rules as you proceed with the full check. Once your settings are ready, run the full grammar check via Review Editor or Spelling and Grammar. Word scans for grammar, clarity, and conciseness. You'll see suggestions grouped by issue. Click each to view why Word flagged it, and then accept, ignore, or edit the text. Make use of rewrite suggestions and alternate phrasing when available because they improve tone and flow. Also, toggle context-aware features for complex sentences. This reduces incorrect corrections and helps you learn recurring mistakes as you edit. To finish, rerun the editor after making edits and use read aloud to catch rhythm or punctuation problems you may have missed, because hearing text helps. If Word flags correct terminology, add those items to exceptions or the custom dictionary and File Options Proofing so future checks skip them. If suggestions are missing or behaving oddly, check third-party add-ins and run an office repair via Control Panel. That often resolves corrupted proofing components. If problems persist, restart Word and your computer before further troubleshooting.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.